Well, I'm back. It's the next day. I couldn't finish the video segment that I wanted to the other day. My battery was running low, and then my SIM card filled up, so I had to get on the computer, download all my stuff. So I had all day to make more video content. So here I am. And you know, I'm trying to give you the meat and potatoes of the entire project and what I'm doing, and I hope that you appreciate the fact that I go through the details like I do, because for most beginners this is what you're going to need to know. And also, I have never installed these before. Okay, I'm in it like you. I want you to see what any average Joe is going to have to go through, and hopefully you watched the segment before this, because I was telling you I've got 6 of these, and I was showing you where I was going to install them. But then I decided against exactly how I was going to install them, and I talked to my wife last night, reviewed it with her. She agreed. We've got 6 of those. She agreed that because we've got a nice little walkway here to the front foyer area of the house, it was decided that we were going to put 2 lights next to this little walk area coming down from the street. Do you see what I mean? And that's where usually most people have them anyways. And initially I wasn't going to do that. I was going to put the first one here, and then the second one there. That's an existing one that's going away. A third one over there. But I thought, you know, we've got 6 of these, and it makes more sense to put one right down there, one here. Okay, that's 2, and then a third one about in there, 3, 4, 5, and then we're going to put a 6th one. I'm going to put it over here next to the grass area over in there, just for a little ambiance and a little bit different format. Okay, 6 of them, and then we're not going to put any over on this side. We don't need any on that side. If it came with 8 instead of a 6 set, I would have put 2 more over there. Okay, but today, and I was talking to my wife, and here's the situation we got. Okay, now these are the old lights, and if you know anything about most landscape lights from years ago, and here's another one right over here. This is like a flood, a directional one. It gives you a soft yellow, soothing look at night. Okay, that's because those are regular bulbs in there. They're halogen type bulbs. Look how big this bulb is here. Okay, and it gives you a yellow light. Well, this one here is a new style. This is white. This is just the cover, and I'm hoping that it's going to give off a yellow light. Well, I'm not sure if it's going to or not. These are LED lights, okay? And LED lights, some are cool white, some are warm white. Warm white are the yellow color, and some are white. Now, if they end up all being white, you know, when they come on at night, it just doesn't look as nice and pleasing. And so we're not quite sure what's going to happen here. So I told Mommy, I says, before I go ahead and install these 5 over here and hook them all up and put them all together and wire it and all that kind of stuff, and find out that maybe they're white instead of warm yellow light, then I'm going to have to take them all down. She agreed with me that maybe let's just do a test. I'm going to do a test today. Okay, I'm only going to put in 1. Okay, that's what this video segment is about. Hopefully you want to stick around and watch it.